Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the 5 best disc golf bags that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Kestrel Discs Golf Pro Set. This set has met every expectation. They feel great in the hand, have a perfect weight to them, made from high-quality material, which makes it the perfect starter pack. They provide you with the 3 primary discs that any player is going to need at any course: the driver, the mid-range and the putter. The driver flies far and straight, even when in the hands of a beginner. The mid-range disc was very precise, wasn't nearly as finicky as other mid-range discs I've used. The putter performed just as I would expect. Anything under 20 feet, you really have to try hard to miss. Great product overall. At number 4. Innova Champion Discs Standard Disc Golf Bags. If you are looking for a golf disc bag that comes in a simple design, then this can be the perfect one for you. This has an eye-catching appearance and allows you to choose from 3 different colors. Additionally, this is composed of high-quality textiles and is exceptionally durable. It includes 2 dividers as well as 4 exterior pockets. Moreover, it lets you have custom usage and is very lightweight. It is a highly functional product and lets you use it hassle-free. Furthermore, this also lets you have easy cleaning, and it serves perfectly for an intermediate or a beginner. You will also find a towel holder, and it lets you carry it comfortably. At number 3. Kestrel Disc Golf Bag. Kestrel Discs is focused on making you the best disc golf player as possible with the best gear. We test our gear in all weather with all types of players and skill levels to ensure our products can outlast the elements. Every disc golf bag is designed and made for optimal performance. Our Frisbee golf bags are built with you in mind and with any tough course that you happen upon. Grab a beer or a Coke and let's hit the course together. The metal snap broke in half. I nay. Edited the bag for a round of disc golf the next morning and went ahead and used it. I had already lent my dynamic bag to someone else. Played a round on Saturday morning and liked the padded strap. Zip pocket held everything well, including nail clippers, pencil, sandpaper and a dog leash without making the bag feel bulky and awkward. People even complimented the look and function of the bag. At number 2. The Throwback Sack. I did a lot of research before deciding on this bag and I'm quite satisfied with my purchase. This is almost perfect for the person with 15 or fewer discs that wants a flexible, well-built bag that doesn't require carrying a second cooler for some beers when playing casual rounds. That said, there are some basic design flaws that I found within minutes that could have been addressed via field testing. None of them are deal breakers for me, but I'll lay them out. Overall bag is nice. I wanted something to carry a couple of discs, and a couple of drinks for casual play. It will suffice for that, but it could be so much better with some attention to detail. Finally, at number 1. Franklin Sports Disc Golf Backpack. The Franklin Sports Disc Golf Backpack is large enough to provide ample space to hold your disc golf discs, water bottles, accessories or clothing. It can hold up to 18 disc golf discs in the main compartment and a smaller upper compartment that can hold putters, an extra towel or clothing. The bag features 2 water bottle pockets that can also be used to hold accessories or snacks. The backpack style allows for easy movement on the course and evenly distributes the weight of many discs as you play. I love this backpack. Was able to fit the majority of my discs in it when using both the top and bottom pockets. How many fit total really depends on what kind of discs you are using, along with the brand. In general, you can fit more drivers and midrange because they tend to be thinner than putters. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.